Guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where and when you are watching this video. So today I decided to make delicious moi moi for my children, for my family, because my children have been disturbing mommy make moi moi, make moi moi, and moi moi process no be here. So I say I know they make, but today I said because of their cry, I said, let me pity them and make moi moi. Look at my uziza seed now. I like adding uziza seed to my moi moi because it gives it that different taste from this modern moi moi that people used to make. When I make it like this and add my uziza seed, the taste and the aroma hits differently. So making moi moi, I don't like making moi moi because the processes are too long. Look at from washing to engine, from engine to adding ingredients and other things, and like I don't want to waste my gas, so I decided to use charcoal. Look at the charcoal that I'm setting, and processes of setting charcoal is another hell again. So this is me setting my charcoal, mixing the moi moi and adding ingredients into the moi moi. First of all, when you are making your moi moi, you have to add your oil first, your palm oil. I prefer using red oil to make it in a local way. I added my red oil. The red oil was very thick, so I decided to melt it a little. This is me melting the red oil so that it can become lighter. Adding the red oil to the beans paste. The red oil was still very thick, so I have to melt it a little again. Still melting my oil. Adding the oil to this oil is plenty. It's more than 3 cups, as you can see. Mama, you know it's you. Allah. Even this time, I'm already mixing my moi moi and the fire is not yet set. I'm just tired because this process, had it been ordinary beans I'm cooking, I prefer cooking beans for them. Had it been ordinary beans I'm cooking for these children, beans would have been done for a very long time. But this one now, they're just patiently waiting because they are hungry. What kind of life is this? Stress. Oh God. Still waiting for my oil to melt. As you can see, guys, stay with me because what YouTube did to me today, I can't even say it. I went live during all these processes. I went live and the live after ending the live, I decided to post it on public. The live was uploaded successfully, but later they wrote processing to HR whatever, and my phone went off. So when my phone went off, I came back. After owning the phone, I came back. The live, I don't really know what happened. They now wrote waiting. And if you click the video, the content is no longer there. So, and that live gave me a lot of views. I have a lot of views. I don't know why the thing is not showing. So this one now is a compensation for it. YouTube, you better push this video. This is my local way of making moi moi. You better push it for me because now, guys, as you can see, I'm pounding I like pounding my seasoning cubes so that I can blend well with the moi moi. Now our moi moi is almost ready. Look at my face. My face was looking very rough, so I don't want to show it at first, but I say let me show it to you guys. The pimples was too much. Look at my moi moi. My ladle got finished, so I have to use a tomato tin to complete it in the kitchen. Look at me going out to check the one on fire. Here are my children. They are sitting patiently waiting for the moi moi to get ready so that they can eat. Oh my gosh, my moi moi is looking yummy, 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 yummy moi moi. Wow, the moi moi is so mwah. As you are seeing it like this, that's exactly how it tastes in your mouth. Very yummy and delicious moi moi, as you can see. Very sweet. Shey you are seeing it, you dey feel am, you dey feel this moi moi very soft. How moi moi dey very strong inside. This one is looking very soft and sweet because all the ingredients are well and fully loaded inside. My crayfish was enough. My seasoning cube, I added a little because too much seasoning cube in the body is not good. So my onions and my pepper was enough. So this is my guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate, love you guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more cooking recipes like this. Thank you. Let me go and eat my own. Thank you. Bye.